Welcome to Pampered Chef Recipes. My name is Kay, and this is my home kitchen. I am a Pampered Chef independent consultant. Today, we're going to be making skillet brownies with peanut butter chips. The ingredients that you'll need for this recipe are a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, a 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 cup of peanut butter morsels mixed with a 1/4 teaspoon of flour. Our featured product for this video are the 5.5-inch mini cast iron skillets. If you're interested in purchasing them, a link will be in the description of this video. Into a microwave-safe bowl, add the butter and the chocolate chips. Microwave uncovered on high for 1 minute. Once your minute is up, stir to combine. Once those are combined, whisk in your sugar, eggs, and vanilla. Once that is all combined, add in your dry ingredients. Divide the batter evenly between the 2 cast iron skillets. Place the skillets in your 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. Well, what do you think? Did I do okay? I think they look wonderful. But my husband might like a little ice cream on top of his. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen today. Please remember that the link for those mini cast iron skillets, as well as this brownie recipe, will be in the description below.